Welcome to the Vector Garden. You've probably seen that in my toolbar there are a lot more tools than in yours. Let's discuss them one by one. So in this video we're going to take a look at this interesting dice. I've got an artwork here that consists of multiple circles. Those circles, you see, they are single circles. I'm just going to select all of them and then go to that dice. This tool is the Randomino tool. And you see we've got this interface here. I'm going to move it to the outside so you can see it better. It has several axes, and when dragging here, then you see a preview of what will happen with all those circles. You see their size changes and their position changes, and you can also use this one here to rotate, which doesn't matter a lot with circles. We can click here to apply different hues, and we can drag here for the size. This is the offset that we can also drag, or double click to enter an offset, which is then randomized. Once you hit enter, this gets applied. And when you change the tool, then the interface is gone. With that plugin, we've got some more functionality. I'm going to undo this and undo once again to set back the colors. So now I'm going to group them. We have in the effects, Randomino effects, and in window, we have Astute Graphics, and inside of that, we've got Randomino. And there is a lot in this panel. We've got this menu here. These are the things we can randomize. We can, of course, randomize the color here. The color is separated by hue, saturation, and brightness. We can already click here and get this randomized. This is completely random, but you can also set up this between range and list. And in the list, you can add specific colors, which are then applied randomly. I'm going to go back to here. Now, you can also randomize live effect setting, but for that, this would already need to have effects applied. So I'm going to go here, and you see these are the Astute Graphics effects, and those can be randomized. You can also move them, change opacity, rotation scaling, and so on. And also the stacking order, which is interesting, but not here because they have gaps between them. Those are the things you can change here, and you can set up all the settings. And whenever you click on randomize, then you get a different result with that. Via the panel, it's applied permanently. So in order to get back, you need to undo it so that we can take a look at the effects. And I'm going to Effect, Randomino, and there we have a color randomizer, which is the same as in the panel, but applied as an effect, so it's dynamic. The same goes for the opacity, and then we have the perturb. I'm going to open the appearance panel. You see it's applied as an effect, so it's dynamic, and you can change the things in here, and you see you get a different, not only arrangement, but it gets distorted like in a wave or like an envelope that is applied here. And we can also crinkle that, and you see you get it distorted more the more you move this to the right. We can also ignore the grouping, and then every element in the group is treated like it's single. And you can also click on seed to get a different result each time you click there. That's how you can intuitively or dynamically change object randomly.